Hey, I'm getting a module error in make.com, like one step in your automation just fails and stops everything. Yeah, that's super common. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. All right, first, click on the module with the error. Uh, Make usually tells you exactly what went wrong. Read the message carefully. That's your biggest clue. Most of the time, it's missing or incorrect data. Yeah, maybe a required field is empty or the format is wrong. Next, check your data mapping. If the wrong data is being passed, the module won't work. Make sure each field is connected to the correct output. Another big one, expired connections. If your app connection expires, the module will fail. So just reconnect it, okay? Sometimes it's an API limit or permission issue. Yeah, maybe you hit a usage limit or your app doesn't have permission to perform that action. Now, run the module by itself to test it. This helps you isolate the problem without running the whole scenario. If the module depends on earlier data, check your trigger. If the trigger isn't sending correct data, everything after it can break. And finally, save your changes and run the scenario again. Yeah, once the error is fixed, it should run smoothly. And that's it. Module errors in make.com are usually easy to fix once you know where to look. Just follow these steps and your automation should be back on track. Hey, I'm